Got a 2008 little guy travel trailer hooked up to the ATV. We're going camping. Got the Honda Rancher TRX 400 FGA 2007 Honda Rancher. Little guy only weighs about 1,200 pounds.
No.
400?
50.
Got the little guy for only 2,500 bucks. It's got a leak. I think they all leaked. I go where I'm towed to. Well, that's cool. You found this on Craigslist? Facebook Marketplace.
Marketplace, yeah.
For only 2,500, where's the leak at? Ooh.
That's what I'm...
That's mold. See the black? That's mold.
Yeah.
It could be fixed.
It's solid everywhere else, though.
Open that door. Huh? I think it was a good deal for 2,500.
Very simple in there. It's nothing...
Wow, that's small. I'd be claustrophobic in there. Huh?
Still better than a tent.
'2008 little guy hooked to a 2007 Rancher.